What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So now that we got through talking about XRP and what could be a problem for XRP just based on a couple of articles, we also want to talk about what will be the future of XRP, in my opinion. Where do we think we're going? Because the crypto market has recently fallen back, right? You see a lot of positions that have come back. XRP doesn't look like it has really taken any type of a dive. It's been staying around the same level, which may be more of a comfortable level that it gets to, and that's fantastic to see. But we're hoping for something way bigger, right? Crypto market to absolutely explode, Bitcoin up in the 100,000 range, Ethereum up at 10,000, XRP up at 3, 4, 5, $100, whatever people want it to get to, the Cardano up at $3, and so on and so forth. We're hoping for so many things to start to blow up, and the thing we were banking on is definitely the Ripple decision, where we were going to have a Ripple decision. We were going to have it skyrocket a little bit. Then we would have Coinbase relist XRP. We would have Kraken relist XRP. We would have so many different things that billions of dollars that are flowing into one position, which essentially will flow out to other positions. And then we'll see that trickle down effect to continue to gain more and more as the crypto market is blowing up. However, we don't know if the entire market was ready for that to happen. And you can't really predict exactly when these decisions are going to happen. You can't really predict exactly when, the markets are going to blow up. You can say, hey, we feel like it's going to be around this range or this range. And a lot of times that ends up being wrong. We heard that the range was going to be in 2023, in the beginning of 2023, in second quarter of 2023. Then they had a larger range of just 2023 in general. And now it's like 2024. And we're also hearing 2025. So it's a little bit of an issue. But I wanted to talk about the crypto market, where I expect kind of XRP to go and what we will see from it. Not necessarily saying that, hey, we're going to see this at $1,000, but, maybe a little bit less. Let's dial it down a couple of notches. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are down there as well. And also, I have referral links for people that want to buy cryptocurrency or even start trading in the stock market, right? I have my Webull link that's down below, as well as Coinbase, Crypto.com, KuCoin, all of those that are down there if you feel like you want to start trading. I have a bunch of platforms that I trade with. Anyways, like I said, if you see the crypto market and you didn't know what had happened in the last, few days, we saw XRP get labeled not a security. Fantastic. We see XRP rise. Overall, we see an increase of like $10 billion, over $10 billion in the market cap, from like a $1.18 trillion market cap to a $1.29 trillion market cap. It was definitely moving. Bitcoin was up to 32,000. You had Ethereum that was up to 2,000. XRP again was up to 94 cents. Fantastic. It did have a retracement. You saw Cardano that was up to 37, 38 cents or so. And you had a lot of other things that were up quite a bit. But XRP is the one that's kind of holding steady, right? As it did have that retracement, it's starting to hold steady at these levels. And maybe it's because it had that retracement early versus everything else not really seeing that retracement until later. And you can see here in the last 24 hours, like Cardano is down by 33.5%. You'll see BNB that's down by about 3%, but XRP is still up, again, the last 24 hours. So if we go into what happened in the chart, what happened in the position, again, let's look at the last 7 days. We saw this increase all the way up to where it got to was 94 cents. It's just showing, I believe, body candlesticks rather than, like the full candlesticks with the wicks and everything. And the wick, the highest wick that it got to was about 94 cents. It did decrease, came all the way back down here to a low point. And then we saw it kind of level out for a while. And now we saw it pick up a little bit, back up to about 80 cents before decreasing a little bit. So this is good to see, right? Because it shows that it does have strength well above where it was. I hope that it does not go back down to the level that it was at, because I feel like it's definitely worth more and has more people interested in it since that point. So I don't believe getting back down to 45 cents or 50 cents is a thing, right? Getting back down to maybe 60 cents is a level, I would say. And what I was hoping for is more positivity in the markets to only see it at a level of 70 cents. But it did find a way to break that down to about 68 cents is what I see here. So If I had to give a prediction on what I believe will happen with XRP, um, well, right now we still have articles that are coming out that are kind of negative towards XRP, towards Ripple and the decision, which I called out in my last video, talking about how there could be an appeal. Now, this was something that was brought up to me right from the start about an appeal, and it could be something that may not be the best thing for XRP, but I honestly don't think that will happen. I think seeing very little on that makes me think that we're not going to see as much, but more of like, hey, we're moving forward here. This is what we can get out of Ripple's decision, and that's all the articles that we end up seeing. So I really don't think that an appeal is going to be a thing. However, I've been wrong before. I've been wrong plenty of times, and I'm not in their heads. So right now, there's situations where we're really worried about what's happening with Coinbase, what's happening with Binance, because those are the stronger pieces there. Because Binance and Coinbase really control the U.S. Well, at least Coinbase controls the U.S. market, but Binance definitely controls a large portion of the market. So if we are looking to invest, we do it on exchanges, and that's where all the money actually is. So I'm definitely thinking that that's more of the important part. Now, until we see some kind of clarity as to where the crypto market is going, I would imagine that XRP would continue to kind of trend with the market really and kind of hover a little bit at some of these lower levels that we don't want to see it at. Like we would love to see it up at $1. And if we would have seen more positivity, I would have said, yeah, we definitely will see it at $1 by the end of the week or the end of the month. But it really all depends how the overall market is doing. A lot of people want to base, what XRP is going to do based off of just what XRP and the news that's going for XRP, but it's a lot more than that. It's what's happening with Coinbase, what's happening with Binance, what's happening with Bitcoin, what's happening with Ethereum. It's more than that because as we see positivity in the markets, XRP will flow with that positivity. And hopefully that makes sense because I know a lot of people are like, hey, what's going on here? Are we going to see some XRP move to $1, $2, $3 by the end of this month? And I would say no, but it's so hard to predict if that will truly happen because the background information, all this news is great. We saw what happened with Ethereum where the merge happened and we got barely any movement out of Ethereum, even though that's one of the biggest things to happen to the crypto market in a very, very long time, right? So seeing that and seeing no movement made me kind of apply this situation that way as well, right? We're not in the most positive time in the market, but we're also not in the most negative time in the market. And it looks like we're more in that range where we've been kind of staying steady and falling flat from decreasing or increasing. We're just staying at the same level, and whatever that level is for XRP, whether it's a low level of 65 and a high level of 80, whatever that level is, we have to understand where that level is and know that we're going to be consolidating for a while until the market starts to look a little bit more healthy, if that makes sense. Anyways, that's what I have for you guys today. I know it's probably not a crazy amount of what you wanted. Maybe you wanted to hear that XRP was getting to $1,000 by the end of the month, or XRP was getting to $1 by the end of the month. But this is not a price prediction. This is literally what to expect out of XRP. And as we go into the rest of the year, as we go into 2023, or we're going into 2024, I expect big things for crypto in the end of this year. In holiday season, as we're starting to see, more and more people that are, buying things, spending money in businesses, institutional investing is now, they're going into some of these cryptocurrencies. Maybe we have some clarity on what's a security and what's not, because it seems like as you have that clarity for something like XRP not being labeled a security, you see ADA move, you see, Atom move, you see Matic move, you'll see all these other positions that move as well, because they fall under kind of that same bucket, right? Being labeled a security, even though they should be something completely separate. Anyways, guys, it's the weekend. Well, the end of the weekend. I will see you guys tomorrow in live streams. Hopefully, I'll try and live stream early. I don't even know what my schedule will be tomorrow, but I should see you tomorrow at some point, whether it's early in the morning or in the afternoon or something. But I will be here, and I will be, going over some stock information, some crypto information, all that stuff. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.